Welcome to SpaceScan, the ultimate blockchain explorer for Chia. Today, we'll take a look at the tax statement tool, which helps users generate tax reports and analyze transactions efficiently on SpaceScan. To get started, visit SpaceScan.io and navigate to the product section in the top menu. Click on Tax Statement to access features such as wallet management, transaction tracking, and tax reporting. Before adding a new wallet, you need to sign in with your email ID. Once signed in, click on the Add Wallet button and enter your wallet name, master public key, and the total number of derivation addresses needed, up to 10,000. You can also customize the derivation index and select a preferred currency format. If needed, tax statements can be derived based on specific addresses. After entering all the details, click Save Wallet, and your wallet information will be securely stored. Once the wallet is saved, you'll be redirected to the tax statement page, where your wallet address will begin syncing. As the syncing process completes, a confirmation message synced will appear, ensuring that your latest block data is fully updated. Now you can select your wallet to access detailed financial information, including wallet balance, XCH balance, token balance, and a list of tokens and NFTs associated with your account. Additionally, SpaceScan provides real-time monitoring tools, allowing users to track their assets more effectively. On the Transactions page, you'll find a complete record of all your transactions. You can categorize them, update transaction details, and even set up auto-classification rules to streamline the categorization process. The auto-classification feature allows you to define conditions based on the amount sent or received, specific addresses, and transaction types, ensuring your reports remain well-organized. You can also add a pool contract address and create custom rules to classify transactions as farm self, farmed pool, or other categories. If you need to update multiple transactions at once, the bulk update feature enables you to efficiently apply changes to all selected transactions. To classify transactions from unclassified to farm self, simply click the Update Category button. Once updated, all relevant transactions will be categorized as farm self, making it easier to accurately calculate your tax reports. Moving on to the tax report section, you can generate and download tax reports in different formats, including CSV, Koinly format, and IRS Form 1040 for U.S. tax filing. If you want to calculate your capital gains, simply click on the Calculate Gains button, and within 10 to 15 minutes, your detailed tax report will be ready. For additional customization, you can edit your wallet details, modify the derivation index, and change your preferred currency format. SpaceScan allows you to add up to 5 wallets, and if you need to manage more, you can contact the support team for assistance. That's all for today. Visit SpaceScan.io to explore the tax statement tool and take full control of your blockchain transactions effortlessly.